a physical node in the Kafka cluster that can store multiple partitions. A logical concept for messages, where a topical can contain multiple partitions. Topical is divided into multiple partitions, each of which can be stored on different brokers. Offset the unique identifier for each message within a partition. Node is a trading system security design. In terms of digital transaction security, we have implemented several measures to protect user interests, enhance trust, and foster the development of the digital economy. In our design, transactions are secured and the data is stored in a distributed manner across multiple nodes to ensure its security and reliability. Each transaction is encrypted and verified, and once confirmed, it is added to an immutable blockchain. This mechanism renders the blockchain highly secure and trustworthy for digital transactions. First of all, transaction security. Storing the transaction information of a collectible in a database is deemed inappropriate. Transaction information reveals the previous and current owners of a collectible and the time of the transaction, allowing us to determine the legal ownership. If this data is stored in a database, even when encrypted, the discovery of encryption partners by others and subsequent modification of transaction information across numerous blocks could compromise our ability to ascertain ownership legitimacy. Therefore, we have opted to place transaction information on the blockchain and encrypt it, making it difficult and costly for intruders to alert a large number of blocks. This design ensures the authentic and validity of collectible information and protects user assets. Now it's a conversation security. In the realm of network security, session security is of paramount importance. HTTP is a stateless protocol, lacking the capability to record the statement of a connection. This means that a server cannot verify whether consecutive requests originate from the safe client. However, logically, if a user successfully logs in, subsequent requests should be associated with that user. For instance, we're adding items to a shopping cart. Each addition should be reflected in the corresponding user's cart. Thus, the server must authenticate the user, a process we have addressed through the use of JWT, JSON Web Tokens. Upon successful login, a JWT containing user information is generated and returned to the front end. The front end then stores this JWT in local session storage and deletes the storage JWT upon logout. The front end includes the JWT in the authorization field of the HTTP headers for each request, addressing potential XSS and XSRF issues. The backend checks for the JWT's process and if found, verifies its validity, including the correctness of the signature, the token's expiration status, and optionally, whether the token's intended recipient is the server itself. Once validated, the backend utilizes the user information within the JWT to perform logical operations and provide corresponding results. The core of blockchain technology lies in its immutable distributed ledger. Data is encrypted into block using cryptographic methods and then linked in a sequential chain structure. This not only ensures transaction security, but also enhance transparency. All participants on the network can view transaction records, which are simultaneously stored on each node, preventing tampering by any single participant. Moreover, blockchain technology reduce transaction costs and increase efficiency by eliminating the need for a centralized institution. In designing our blockchain system, we adopted a federated chain model with a higher degree of decentralization. We harnessed the characteristic of the Merkel and the Merkel Patricia trees to support efficiency data storage and querying. Additionally, we abandoned the traditional mining mechanism in favor of a master server creating new blocks, aligning better with our business scenarios and performance requirements. Now I'm gonna make a summary of system features. First of all, by integrating various technological means, the system addresses the issues present in the traditional digital art market, providing users with safe, transparent, convenient, and efficient service for trading digital collectibles. During the design process, we have adopted key technologies such as blockchain and encryption algorithm to implement multiple stages of digital collectibles, including minting, distribution, trading, collecting, and tracing, making the transaction process more intelligent, standardized, and sustainable. Secondly, the data storage model that combine mysql and the blockchain ensures the security of critical data without affecting the read and the write speed of general data. Thirdly, the use of the Merkel Patricia tree as a data structure in the blockchain facilitates convenient blockchain traceability operations. Fourthly, digital collectibles must undergo manual review before they can be listed for sale, effectively preventing financial risks associated with digital collectible transactions. Fifth, the blockchain's block creation function does not employ mining capabilities. Instead, a managed slave architecture similar to that of distributed server is used. The main server is responsible for creating blocks, while the subordinate servers accept and verify the created blocks. If the main server goes offline, a preset secondary server takes over as a master server. Six, storing transaction records in the blockchain allows for effective detection of any tampering with the information. Seventh, the use of two mature development frameworks, Springboot and Vue shortens the development period and facilitates system expansion. Lastly, I would like to share our outlook for the future. The blockchain-based digital collectible trading platform addresses the issues of the traditional digital art market by storing transaction information on the blockchain and leveraging its tamper-proof and traceable features. The system promotes a more intelligent, standardized, and sustainable transaction process by integrating various technological means and adopting key technologies such as blockchain and encryption algorithm to cover aspects like minting, offering, trading, collecting, and tracing of digital collectibles. We believe that With the continuous advancement of technology and the maturation of the market, the blockchain-based digital collectibles trading platform will provide a secure, transparent, convenient, and efficient service for digital collectibles, trading to users worldwide. We also look forward to further communication and collaboration with experts and peers to jointly advance research and development in this field. Thank you for your attention, and I'm eager to engage in deep discussions with you all.